Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new, yes, another all-new product. Finally, the valve has been opened. The Taichi GP-WRX NXT056 Full Gauntlet Racing Glove. Okay, as of the time we're shooting this video, the NXT056 Racing Glove from Taichi retails for $229.95. Please understand we never update videos for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. Let's open up with sizing, all right? I normally wear a 2X in most common gloves. That is what I have on right now. The initial fit from this glove, for me, is a little bit to the snug side. With that said, my expectations are, with a little bit of use, these gloves are going to break in and land right where they need to be. If you're sensitive to the gloves being tight at all, and you prefer maybe a little extra operating room with this particular pair, I would suggest for you in that case to go ahead and go up one size. I think you're going to get a fit that is going to be more appropriate for you. If you like yours to fit like a glove, no pun intended there, of course, go ahead and order the size you would normally order, commit to a little break-in time, and you're going to be good to go. In typical Taichi fashion, this is a simple evolution of a predecessor that was a high-quality, top-performing product. Features and benefits. It's the latest version of the Knox scaphoid protectors, the palm sliders. What are those there for? They're plastic and they slide very easily on the pavement. They're also harder to wear through than the leather palm of the glove. So they serve two purposes really. Purpose number one is most of us when we fall down, instinctively we're going to put our hands out. When you do that with a glove, it can grab the tarmac. That can send some energy through your wrist, through your arm, shoulder, cause a tumble, maybe injure the scaphoid, which is what these were originally designed to prevent, right? So these kind of encourage that slide to get your hand just moving. You really want to slide on your side, more specifically on your back if you can get there and just kind of stay sliding on your back. If you want a great example of that, you can watch Max Van Laguna Seca Junior Cup Race 1 2022, and he slid on his back for an awfully long time and came out of it completely injured. That would be like a textbook slide, okay? So they also, like I said earlier, they wear longer than leather. So if you do end up sliding on your palm, you got your hands out, these are going to take longer to wear through than the leather itself would and just offer a lot more protection in this area. I look at those as a key feature. It's a must-have for any racing glove, and Taichi has delivered that here with this glove. Materials used. We've got a combination of cowhide and goat hide used all throughout the glove. The dexterity of the glove is excellent right out of the gate. You'll note they use internal seams on the fingers. There are advantages and disadvantages to those, although I will say I can't feel the seams, which is really nice, right? The advantage is there's a little more protection with the internal seam because you don't have the threads actually exposed. With an external seam, you have more comfort, right? But the threads are exposed. In the event of a crash, there is a higher probability or possibility as compared to an internal seam for those to open up. Although you don't see it very often, that is the reason they've used the internal seam here. They pulled it off very well. I don't even really notice them right now in the fingers of the glove, so excellent job here from Taichi. We have perforation in between the fingers to encourage ventilation in the glove. We've got a carbon knuckle protector. This is done in a tunnel system. The reason they do that is so when you wrap your fingers around the bars, instead of pulling on the whole glove, the tunnel itself opens up and just allows for ease of movement. This is the impact zone with any glove. You have a little low side. This is the part that really ends up on the ground. The scaphoid protector ends up there, and you'll also see we have an additional overlay of leather wrapped all the way around the pinky to protect that vulnerable spot. Protection for the back of the hand. We've got a memory foam piece underneath the leather there. Same deal up here to protect the end of the ulna. Another piece right here. Entry and exit. An adjustment is provided with Velcro. Here is your gauntlet adjustment. And then something Taichi does a little bit different. The safety strap. Most brands are just like this. What Taichi does is with their gloves, they want it to kind of encourage the glove staying up, so the pull, instead of going across, goes up like so, and then you cover it when you make your final adjustment from your gauntlet. The entire inside of the glove is lined with polyester for additional comfort. You can see we've got a little Clarino overlay here with some memory foam underneath to help protect the joint right there on the thumb. We've got an overlay here on the palm of the glove to help increase the service life of the glove. That's the area where your hands are touching the bars most of the time. This is just going to help the glove last longer. All in all, what do I think, right? I think at $229, this is a premium tier glove. You know, all the prices, of course, are going up. The predecessor for this was, I think, like $179. So that just shows you the difference that we're seeing right now in the global economy, right? Prices are simply going up. With that said, I think at $179, this was a tremendous value. I think at $229, you're paying a very fair price for a high quality race glove. Once you get these broken in, and I've ridden in the predecessor, Max has actually ridden in the predecessor as well, there is a lot of feel with these gloves, especially on your control fingers here. You get these broken in nice, they're soft, they're supple right out of the gate. Tons of feel. That is without doubt one of the advantages of this glove. I definitely put this in that upper echelon. Recommended for sure. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself. I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.